The Chevy Bel Air has always been an icon. Since it was launched in the 1950s, it has captivated generations with its stunning design, innovative performance, and imposing presence on the streets. But now, the legend has returned in a way no one expected. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible arrives not only as a tribute to its glorious past, but as a redefinition of what luxury, performance, and nostalgia mean in the modern automotive world. Get ready to discover all the details of this true spectacle on wheels. Imagine being behind the wheel of a Bel Air, feeling the wind on your face as the sun shines on the horizon. That image already sounds like a distant dream, an echo of the past. However, the 2025 Bel Air Convertible brings that fantasy back to reality in a way that is both nostalgic and utterly futuristic. What Chevrolet has done with this car is more than just a return. It's a revival of an entire era, reinterpreted with modern touches that make any car enthusiast stop and take a second look. The design of the 2025 Bel Air is a hypnotic fusion of the classic and the contemporary. When you look at its exterior lines, it's impossible not to recognize the influences of the original 1957 model. The round dual headlights, the iconic Chevrolet emblem, and the chrome details that run along the body are a nod to the past, but with a much more refined execution. The front grille has been modernized, turning into an automotive work of art with an elegant finish that shines under any lighting. And of course, the elongated hood, always a hallmark of the Bel Air, now looks even more imposing, designed to impress anyone who approaches. But at the same time, the 2025 Bel Air Convertible isn't just a machine for reviving memories. It's also a showcase of the latest advancements in technology and engineering. Chevrolet didn't skimp on innovation to ensure that this vehicle wasn't just beautiful, but also highly efficient and powerful. Under the hood, a 6.2-liter hybrid V8 engine delivers surprising performance, combining raw power with the ecological efficiency that the future demands. With acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, this convertible is not just a symbol of luxury, it's a beast on the road. And speaking of luxury, the interior of the 2025 Bel Air is a true delight for the senses. Upon opening the door, you are immediately enveloped by an atmosphere that seamlessly blends the traditional with the technological. Meticulously stitched Napa leather seats, polished wood finishes, and brushed aluminum accents provide an unparalleled sense of class. All this is complemented by a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a 14-inch OLED touchscreen in the center console. But what really stands out is the attention to small details. From the soft sound of the door closing to the touch of the buttons and controls, every aspect has been designed to elevate the driving experience to a new level. Now, imagine yourself on an open road, the convertible's roof down, the sound of the cylinders echoing as the engine purrs smoothly under the hood. Every curve, every acceleration, brings a new sense of freedom, a return to that time when driving was much more than getting from point A to point B. It was an experience, an event. The 2025 Bel Air encapsulates that philosophy in every detail. It reminds us that, even in a world where autonomous cars are becoming the norm, there's still room for that pure and simple pleasure of being in control of a magnificent machine. But there's something deeper here. The Chevy Bel Air has always been more than just a car. It has been a cultural symbol, a reflection of an era when anything seemed possible. It was present in the dreams of generations of Americans who saw it as the embodiment of the golden years lifestyle. By bringing the Bel Air back, Chevrolet is not just giving us a new car. They are resurrecting a piece of the soul of automotive culture. And in a world that often rushes to forget the past, that is, in itself, an admirable feat. However, the 2025 Bel Air doesn't settle for living on its history alone. It reminds us that tradition and innovation can go hand in hand, that the past and the future don't need to be in conflict but can complement each other in surprising ways. Chevrolet has respected the Bel Air's legacy while propelling it into a new era where performance, style, and sustainability are equally important. There's something deeply emotional about seeing an icon reborn. It's like reconnecting with an old friend after many years. There's familiarity, but also the excitement of seeing how they've evolved. The 2025 Bel Air offers us that same feeling, a reunion with the past, but with a clear vision of the future. And that, in itself, is what makes this car truly special. In the end, what can we expect from this new Chevy Bel Air convertible? Perhaps it's more than just a car. It's a work of art in motion, a reminder that some things are timeless. Its stunning design, impressive power, and ability to transport us to a golden era of automobiles make it much more than just a machine. It's a living piece of history reimagined for today's world. So, if you're thinking about adding a touch of classic style to your future, the 2025 Bel Air might be the perfect choice. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a testament that sometimes legends don't die. They just come back better than ever. You can't miss the chance to see this legend reborn. What do you think of the stunning design and incredible innovations of the 2025 Chevy Bel Air convertible? Leave your comment below and share your expectations about this icon of the past reinvented for the future. And of course, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and like so you don't miss the next news from the automotive world. See you on the road.